Welcome to Indiana University Northwest, home of the Red Hawks and home to the 2012 Science Olympiad. In this very room, you have some of the leanest, meanest thinking machines, and the only catch is they're junior high and high school students. Now let's get downstairs and check out some of the action. Here we are in the Savannah Center Student Technology Center, where we have one of our challenges, which is Game On. Here we have, what's your name? Diane Larson, who will be explaining this competition to us right now.
Hi there. Game On is using the program called Scratch by MIT, and the students will be working in teams of 2 to develop a program that will have a theme. They will be allocated 50 minutes to create their Scratch program, and then it will be judged based on certain rules that have been set up. So the purpose of the Game On is to do programming.
In Game On, you use these things called scripts and sprites. Sprites are the actual characters themselves, and then scripts are what they do. So you just use scripts to control the characters.
We're judging Storm the Castle, and basically what the students have to do is they have to shoot a projectile, and they have to hit a castle, and they have pre-measured, they have the distances pre-measured because they already knew the masses beforehand. So basically we're just studying projectile motion.
It's pretty cool that they have to like predetermine everything, and then when they actually shoot it, we get to see like if their calculations were right. Do you have anything you'd like to add?
Their actual models are really cool too. So it's just being able to see like how these middle schoolers and high schools actually your talent in building stuff too. So that's pretty cool.
I think it's pretty neat to see how much hard work they put in and just the development that they put into their machines, the calculations they've made, like how accurate they can be. So it's pretty neat.
I think that it's fantastic that these kids are in Science Olympiad to begin with. They're definitely on a path to college that I probably wasn't on when I was 12 years old and didn't know what a projectile was, to be able to shoot a clay ball halfway across the gymnasium. So, good job, guys.
The Arbitration Committee is a part of the Science Olympiad administration because every once in a while coaches and kids and event judges differ on what they think is important and what the rules should be. And so if a school thinks that they were unjustly denied a medal, then they can fill out a form and talk to the coach, and if the coach and if the judge disagree on things, then it comes to our committee, and our committee will look at the rules and talk to everybody and figure out who is right and make some kind of a decision. Fortunately, so far today, the arbitration committee has been very bored. We've had nobody complaining, we've had nobody saying that things were done incorrectly, and that's the way I hope it goes through the rest of the day.
Well, right now I get the score sheets from each different event, and I am ranking the teams so that we know who wins and the order of winning.
You have a pretty important job. You decide who gets the trophies at the end of the day.
Yeah, and it's really fun to kind of see how teams do in different competitions and seeing, you know, the teams that are coming out on top and see who's winning at this point.
Is there any team you're rooting for?
Well, unfortunately, my old high school isn't here, so I'm not very biased. Although there are some that are looking pretty good, but I'm not going to tell you which one's my favorite.